Hello, everyone. My name is Jonathan Harker, and I welcome you to another food review. This week, I am in Transylvania on my way to Count Dracula's castle. I have been traveling for a while, and I discovered this new thing called paprika. It is a red pepper spice, and they've been putting it in a lot of the food here. For example, the food that I'm going to be eating today is something called robber's steak. It is meat and bacon and onions grilled in a paprika sauce. So I'm going to be trying that with you guys today. So here's one of them. If you get a good look at that, I will be adding photos and possibly a video of the steak for you guys to see. So let's eat. That is nice. The steak is done really well, cooked thoroughly. There's no blood in it. I like that. I prefer that for my meat to be well done. This is good. Let me see if I can get some of the onions and the bacon off of here. Let's grab this. Well done. The onions are very nicely cooked through, so they're soft. They're kind of caramelized in the paprika. The bacon is not too crispy, but it is cooked thoroughly, and the meat works very well with the paprika. It's a good spiciness to it. Yes, this is very, very good. Apologize. Don't mind me. That is good. But besides this food, my time in Transylvania has been very interesting. I've liked it. There have been some weird moments though. I've talked to some people around, and when I've told them that I'm going to visit Dracula's castle, they seem almost scared by the man. I'm not exactly sure what he did. He seems like an upstanding fellow to me. He did send me an email. I can read it off to you from my phone. He said to me, "My friend, welcome to the Carpathians. I'm anxiously expecting you. Sleep well tonight. At 3 tomorrow, the diligence will start for At 3 tomorrow, the diligence will start for Bukovina. A place on it is kept for you. At the Borgo Pass, my carriage will await you and bring you to me. I trust that your journey from London has been a happy one, and that you will enjoy your stay in my beautiful land. Your friend, Dracula." I don't see why he is so threatening to everyone here. One woman gave me a cross when I told her that I was going to be going to Dracula's castle. And I find that strange. If any of you ever have a chance to come to the Carpathians here in Transylvania, please do. The food here is exquisite. I am very happy. I'm very happy that I came here on this trip. Gorgeous, really. And the mountains here are also beautiful. There are mountains and rivers around here. It's really a wonderful place for a vacation. Excuse me, I shouldn't have. That was improper of me. But I suppose eating with my hands is also improper. Either way, I've enjoyed myself here. And the food is absolutely exquisite. I will admit, the paprika, it's an interesting spice because it is not a hot pepper. However, it is a very dry pepper, a very dry seasoning. And you really need a lot of water if you're going to eat anything with paprika. Yesterday I had something, what was it called? I know I needed to get the recipe from Mina. I believe it was called paprika hendel. And it's an exquisite meal, chicken mainly, covered in paprika. And although the chicken was very moist, very, very, very good, the paprika made my mouth so dry. I drank my entire carafe of water. I even have some water here with me right now. It is a dehydrating experience, but a good one nonetheless. Anyways, I believe that will be it for my food review. Honestly, this food is a 8 out of 10. The meat is very juicy, it's very tender. The bacon is not too crispy, however, it's not too limp, and it's not undercooked. The onions go very well with the bacon and with the meat, and the paprika it ties it all together. Though I don't like how dry my mouth feels afterwards. So 8 out of 10 is my review. If any of you have the opportunity to get any robber's steak, I highly suggest that you do. I will be putting the recipe in the description of this video for all of you. So if any of you make this at home, you can send it to me, or you can link it to me on Twitter or Instagram. I will be putting my handles up on the screen for you to see. And I hope all of you have a wonderful evening. I am going to leave for my Uber to Castle Dracula. And I will see you all in the next video. Keep eating. Bye.